Good day, ma'am. I'm Utayaprakash. So today, I and my group members going to present about the sport nutrition for water polo games. So water polo. What is water polo? Water polo is an exciting, fast-paced game introduced at the Olympics in 19,000 for men and open to female in teams in 2000. The aim is for six field players to dodge the opposition goalkeeper to score as many as goals possible. The game is played in quarter with blocks of 8 minutes with a second shot clock. Flipball is modified version of a water polo, especially for kids, which has a slightly different rules and shorter playing time and is played in a shallow pool. So, what are the energy usage of water polo? Water polo is a team sport characterized by high intensity intermittent exercise with varying energetic demands. So during match play, 50 to 60% of the energy derived by aerobic and then 10 to 15% energy derived for anaerobic. The remaining 30 to 35% is anaerobic lactic pathways. So now we're going to see about the usage of the energy. Strong and well-developed alternating circular movements of the legs, known as the egg beta kick, are important in resisting fatigue and optimizing aerobic endurance performance. The energy derived from the anaerobic pathway is necessary for jumps, short sprints, and wrestle opponents. Total swimming distance during a standard water polo match for a pool 4 times 8 minutes ranges from 1500 to 1650 meter. The heart rate exceeds 150 beats per minute for minutes for majority 92% of net playing time. As a result of these varying cardiovascular and metabolic demands, water polo players require optimal physical fitness to achieve success. Next, we're going to look at the macronutrients recommendation for water polo. First of all, carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the main fuel needed for water polo players. This includes oats, grainy breads, and crackers, pasta, rice, low-fat noodles, and starchy vegetables like potato and kumara. During and after intense training session, additional carbohydrate-rich foods and drinks can be helpful to provide extra fuel and help with recovery. The next is protein. Protein is an essential part of healthy diet. It is especially important to include protein in the meal for or snack eaten after strength training to assist with muscle repair and recovery. The third one is fat. For all water polo players, it is important to have some healthy fats each day, including avocado, nuts, seeds, oily fish, and vegetable oils such as canola and olive oil. The amount of these fats are needed will depend on your weight goals and energy requirements. Unhealthy fats should be avoided as much as possible. So the last part of macronutrients recommendation is fruit and vegetables. Fruit and vegetables are essential for good health and performance, and it should be included at every main meal. Including a range of fresh, frozen, dried, and canned varieties will help meet your need of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The next parts will be presented by my groupmate or my friends.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Arvind, and today I'll be talking about the micronutrient recommendation for the water polo players. Number one will be iron. Iron helps to carry oxygen throughout your body, and it has a role in the energy metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and protein. If an athlete doesn't consume enough iron, they can develop deficiency, also called as anemia. Anemia. This is too common deficiency in athletes whose symptoms include fatigue, feeling cold, compromised immune system, and cognitive dysfunction. Second will be calcium. Calcium is needed for strong bones to aid in vitamin D absorption and to help muscles and nerves contract. As you can see, calcium is very important for younger athletes. Next will be vitamin D. Vitamin D is important for immune and muscle function, and it increases the body's ability to absorb calcium. Next is vitamin B. Vitamin B especially B6, play an important role in energy metabolism. Without having enough vitamin Bs, your body isn't able to produce as much energy, which can lead to fatigue and muscle soreness. Okay, next I'll be talking about zinc. Zinc is very important in immune function and wound and tissue healing. When an athlete works hard, they are a greater risk for compromised immune system. Making sure you consume enough zinc is very important. Next, I'll be talking about fluid intake of water polo players. Normal fluid intake for a day will be 3.7 liters for men aged 19 to 30, while 2.7 liters for women aged 19 to 30. Why water polo players need to remain hydrated? They remain to be hydrated so that to prevent onset fatigue during workouts, avoid risk of cramping and avoid risk of cramping both inside and outside the pool. Transportation of red blood cells throughout the body as well as the formation of protein and glycogen. Next, to regulate the body's temperature and helps to lubricate joints. Then replenish any lost fluids and to promote recovery of muscles. Tips for water polo players: 16 fluid ounces of water 2 hours prior to working out and to rehydrate during the workout to avoid any fatigue that could come from dehydration. The diuretics such as alcohol and caffeine should be avoided. Now, next will be the best way to avoid dehydration is to know the signs. The signs will be the thirst, head at headaches, weakness, fatigue, and dizziness.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Lishalan. Okay, today I would like to talk about the supplements for water polo players. Okay, first of all, we recommend the water polo players to take NutriBoost. Okay, NutriBoost is a milk and juice drink which combines milk from New Zealand and real fruit juice in a convenient pack, and it's also certified as halal. So basically, the Muslim water polo players also can use this NutriBoost. Okay, NutriBoost is also available in liquid form, and it's suitable for both vegans and vegetarians. Okay, why protein supplements? Okay, the proteins supplements which we are recommending is will repair micro tears in tissue and prepares the players for next water polo training or competition without any muscle sore. The next supplement we are going to recommend is sport drink. Okay, sport drink like Gatorade. Okay, sport drink like Gatorade provides carbohydrate and protein combination to boost the efficiency during the game. Okay, we will always see like players or any sports players will never drink water when they are playing game. They use the sport drink to perform efficiently in their game. And finally, we will recommend energy gel. Energy gel is something contain an important nutrient and it energizes substance to gain focus, and also it helps recovery. Our injured players will recover fast when using this energy gel. Thank you, ma'am.